Can you see yourself in the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD? The Silverado 2500 HD has the brains and brawn to deliver smart, dependable work performance in today's highly connected, ever-demanding environment. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, 8-cylinder engine, keyless start, 4-wheel drive. Relax and enjoy the confidence of knowing you have the power you need to get the job done. Get into the Silverado 2500 HD.